Hey everyone, welcome back to Crochet Ray Ray. Crafty Ray Ray, I don't know. Anyway, so if you have been following me in any of my journeys, you know that I'm like a multi-crafter and I do a lot of stuff. So I wanted to show you my Epson ET15000. It's a large format printer. It prints 13 by 19 media, which is awesome. I used to have another printer that did that. It was an Epson Photo 1280, but I broke it by accident, and the ink was super expensive because it was in cartridges. So this is my Epson, and if you can see here, I got the dreaded non-printing features are available without replacing the maintenance box. I've had this printer for 6 months now, and it's time to replace the maintenance box. So that's what this video is about. We will do a maintenance box swap. All right. Before we begin said replacement of maintenance box cover, we need a couple tools. This is a maintenance box. I ordered this from Epson. It was $10, y'all. $10 right from Epson. And I paid for it with my PayPal, and it came to like $10.59 with taxes. So $9.99 plus tax. I have PA taxes. It's 0.06 cents. So $10.59 was my charge on this. I probably need to buy more. And a flatbed screwdriver. Get a small one. The screw is small. All right, so now, my printer is blinking. It's telling me we got an error. We are going to print. We're going to replace the maintenance box. So it says, yes, replace now. Replace to maintenance box. We're going to go how to remove the maintenance box cover. See, remove the maintenance box cover. The cover is back yonder here. With our screwdriver, we're going into the back of the maintenance box area. And righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. This is behind your printer. It's really hard to do this like one-handed. Are you like me where you watch the video of you recording instead of the actual action that you're doing? Let's not lose the printer here. I had to change screwdrivers mid maintenance box moving. It's a pretty thin screw. So this is what the maintenance box looks like. Voila. It literally pops out. Here's what it looks like inside. There is ink that deposits inside of the maintenance box. There's pads inside of the maintenance box. It doesn't sound like there's anything in there, but I wonder what is in there. So I'm going to take our new maintenance box. The new maintenance box. Look, the pads look so nice and white. Wonder how they feel different. Oh yeah, this one does feel heavy. This one feels light. Literally, there's only 2 pieces of paper in the box, and the maintenance box in a plastic bag and cardboard. And then you're gonna slide it back in there. Wow. That's probably one of the easiest things I have ever done for Epson with regards to maintenance. All right, we're gonna slide that back on. Screw it back in. It says maintenance box not installed, but that's a lie. Because we did install it. Now it's going to process All right, do I have paper in my printer? I do not have paper in my printer. Let's stick some paper in the printer. Now, I haven't run my printer in a couple weeks, so it's not going to print super great. We're going to print a nozzle check. Well, we're not cleaning it because, you know, we're going to see how this works. I'm going to take apart my maintenance box and see what's inside. Do you want to see what's inside with me? Me too. That'll be another video. My printer did not print very well. Look at all those terrible broken lines. I was on vacation last week. Things look horrible. Horrible. So we're going to stick that bad boy back in there because we're going to print again. And I like to put a little like line on my maintenance printout. So, number 1, because I use like a piece of paper for my printers. We're gonna print the head now. Now it's gonna take 3 minutes. All right, what's inside this maintenance box? And it needs another screw. We're gonna have to probably get gloves for that. I'm gonna put it in this bag that came with the other maintenance box. Round 2. Not too fantastic again. You see, like, everything has something that's clogged in these jets. So, does that mean we should do a power cleaning? No, I think we are gonna print a purge pile. Purge page. A purge page is a page where it has all of the colors printing continuously so it can push out ink in all of these jets. I lied. I ran a print head cleaning. Ooh, much better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only spots. I lied. I ran a print head. Check that out. It looks much, much better than there's a number 2. And then here's number 1. Number 1, number 3. Normally it doesn't take that long. We have a slight print head alignment issue. I'll run a print head alignment as well. Just check. This is a horizontal, and it says choose the print line that's not separated, overlapped. You can see I have a clogged nozzle there. Overlapped. That's not touching, or overlapped, 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 overlapped. So, number 3 and 9. Next alignment is select the pattern that shows no gap or dark line. And you wonder, what does it mean? No dark line, no gap or dark line. The dark line is what meets in the middle. See that? I think number 4, it is. And then on the thing, you say number 4. We're going to proceed. Print pattern number 3. This goes pretty fast. Next test. Choose the square with the fewest streaks. So now we're going to look at the streaks. Maybe I should be in the light. 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5, or 6. This is going to be line by line. So in line 1, it would be number 5. Number 2 would be line 6. Line 3 would be line, I'm going to go with number 5 too. Line 4 would be number 6. Line 5 would be box 5. And then line number 6. I am going to say, oh, it's really hard. Let's get on the light more for this one. I am gonna say, oh, is it 4, 5, or 6? Let's say 5. And now it's going to print the alignment patterns. And we shall check what that looks like when it comes out. I did this when I first set up the printer, which is what you should do every time you set up a printer. When it says so in the directions. It says select the pattern that shows no gap or dark line. So no gap or dark line. Do those lines look wavy to you? They do to me. I'm gonna say number 6. Set number 2. I'm gonna say number 6 for that one too. Changes will be reflected the next time you print. We're gonna print another nozzle check and see if that changed any of our outcomes. So we know that this one was the last one after the maintenance box. And then this one was after alignment. Only 2. It's pretty good. So we did an alignment, and we did a printer head cleaning, changed the maintenance box. I think, see how it was slightly off on that last, next to the last black line? And that's what I went to correct. And that also meant a couple other things got corrected too. But those 2, yellow and magenta, look like they are clogged. That was clogged in the black. Now we are good in the black. I hope that that was informative as I walked through the entire process. If it was disjointed, I apologize. Things are a little crazy. My brain thinks a little crazy sometimes, just disjointed. But that is how we have changed the maintenance box did a print head alignment and nozzle check for the Epson 15000. It prints pretty nice. I printed a bunch of graphics on it, and my color settings are kind of off, but like this photo is a photo of our dog, and I don't know if you can tell, I really needed to color adjust it, but this picture was actually a pretty low resolution picture. You can tell like on the edges. Can you tell on the edges? You really can't. But it was, and it printed it pretty good for being enlarged. I'm pretty pleased with it. But thank you for joining us at Crafty Ray Ray, formerly Crochet Ray Ray. I don't know, maybe I'll change that. Until next time.